Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you Flangoo. We're going to be using Flangoo in class and I want you guys to be familiarized with what it looks like. So if you guys go to flangoo.com, you guys are going to click on the student sign in. I will be giving you a link later on so that you guys can create your own login code and password. Something that's really important is that you write these down or store your password and login code somewhere so that you don't forget it, because we will be using this all semester. So I'm going to go ahead to teacher sign in just to show you guys what it looks like. So right here you guys can see this is an online website and it has a bunch of different books that we're going to be reading in Spanish. So it's really awesome because it breaks it down from level 1 readers, level 2, and so on and so forth. So you guys can see all the different books that they have on this website. Here, if I click on one, you guys can see I would hit start reading. It tells you a little bit about it. And then it also allows you guys to play the audio.
21 mini cuentos.
So if that is something that you like, if you like to hear the story being read to you, that is an option. Otherwise, you guys can go through and read. Now, we will be assigning certain sections or chapters of a book during the year, so it is something that you need to be aware of as to what books we will be reading. There are also chapter questions that you guys will have to complete and hand in as well. So just to go back, you guys won't see all of these books once we get started. In the beginning, you'll be able to kind of look at them and see what they're about, but once class actually starts, we will just be assigning certain books to you. So on my end, I can say, all right, we're going to read Pobrecita Ana. So I will just assign this book, and this will be the only book that you guys can see. So I just wanted to give you a brief overview of what Flangoo is. Again, it is an online reading website for you guys so that we can practice reading comprehension in Spanish.